Hello guys, and welcome to a course on Canva. Now Canva is a website that you can use to make logos and other graphics designing stuff. So this is a very good website that you can use to learn a lot and use it as a freelancer. Okay, so Canva is very popular right now. Many people are using this, and using Canva can be very useful to you guys. Okay, so in this course, what we're going to learn here is that we're going to learn about creating logos and then creating YouTube thumbnails. Also, you can also create YouTube banners as well, and it doesn't have to be YouTube. You can make Facebook banners as well, but I'm going to show you with YouTube banners and YouTube thumbnails how you can create them, and you can also create logos for your business or company. And I'm also going to go through the best fonts that are in Canva that you can use, and you can use them as any type. Like there are a few fonts that are like versatile that you can use anywhere, and there are a few fonts that you can use in a particular niche. Okay, so please make sure that you take this course, and I hope you will learn a lot, and I will see you in the first lesson on Canva. Okay.